let's talk about historical levels. It plays a very big part when it comes to reaction zones in the market. There are levels that price has previously reacted on. These levels can be a level of support, it can be a level of resistance, it can be a key level. For an example, we have this level identified to be a historical level where price has previously reacted to. Yeah, we got the buys there as a support. Price pushed up, maybe price came back reacting to this same level as a support, then support as well. Possibly price broke below this level, came to give a retest of it, sold as a resistance, sold again as a resistance on that retest. We had the break, price dropped, support. We've just been getting reactions on this level as a support or as a resistance. This level is basically a historical level because price has previously reacted to these levels, to this level in particular, having the first reaction to be a level of support. We got the buys. Let's use these dates for an example to calculate or to tell when we got the reactions on these levels. So we had the first reaction on the 28th of July and the second reaction on the 31st of July. After we had the second reaction, this level became a historical level because we've previously got a buy reaction which happened on the 28th of July. Then we had another reaction on the 31st of July, another one on the 2nd of August. Yeah, so we've been getting reactions on this level. We've had past reactions. So after this reaction, we had price break below this historical level, gave a retest of it. And we had another reaction on the 5th of August, which is today. For an example, yeah, the next reaction is likely to be, which we can see happened on the 7th. Next one happened on the 10th. So these reactions didn't happen at the same day. Being that you're on the 4 time frame charts, it didn't happen in one day. We had days interval in which these reactions happened on this level. Yeah, so historical levels are basically levels where we've seen price buy and sell on in the past. So working with these levels would have an idea of a zone or an area which price could possibly react on. Because identify this historical level, we can expect a reaction on this level. After we had this third reaction, yeah, we can say that if price drops to this level, you could see price buy on this level, or if this level gets broken, we could get a retest of it for a sell. The reason why we are getting that idea, or why we got the idea, is because of the histories we've had on this level. Yeah, so that's the importance of historical levels, and historical levels can be used as potential exit points in the market. So for an example, let's say you want to sell the market from these highs. Want to sell the market here. Your target realistically, working with historical levels, should be on this level here as a support, on this historical level which we've had past reactions on. Because taking a sell trade here, stop loss above this zone, your target realistically should be on this historical level or close to it, something of this kind. Because price could possibly sell from this our sell zone, then react to this level, giving a buy reaction. So not having an idea of this historical level, you wouldn't know a potential exit point in the market. So this historical level right now have helped us know where price could possibly react on, and it has given us an exit target on this sell trade, being that we've had past buys on this level. So if price can drop to this level, there would still be a possibility of the buys from this same level. So this is one of the importance of historical levels. We can use it as potential exit points, having our targets in the market. Also, it can be used as an additional confluence to our buy and sell points or buy and sell reasons. So that is just it with historical levels. So these levels can be a level of support, it can be a level of resistance, it can be a key zone. These levels can be used as an additional confluence. When I say additional confluence is, for an example, it happens to be that an order block aligns with the point where we had this historical level on. Yeah, for an example, we want to buy using an order block as an entry model, maybe spotted an order block here, and we have this historical level spotted based on past histories. Yeah, based on past histories. So if an order block happens to be at this point and we expect price to buy from here, price to drop to this zone for the buys, there is a possibility of price respecting this order block, this bullish order block, because of the fact that we have a historical level that is on the same line with this order block. So this can be used as an additional confluence to our buy and sell point. The same thing is applicable to our sell zone, yeah, to our sell points, maybe a bearish order block. Can also use historical levels as an additional confluence if it's supposed to be that they align. So that is also with historical levels. So when it comes to historical levels, like I said, there are levels that we've got past histories on, and we can spot out historical levels on this chart right now. Levels of same price buy on in the past, or price has sold on in the past. Then we still extend this level to see that we've got histories on this level as well. Price didn't just started buying from this level of same price, buy, sell, resistance. Let's just spot it out. Resistance, resistance, resistance. There was a break, retest, support, support here, support, support. So let's assume that the market is yet to get to this level. Yeah, let's assume that price is still here. Let's just assume that price is still at that point. So price pushing up further, dropping down. As a price action trader, the level that should come to your mind, or the zone that should come to your mind for a possible reaction, is this historical level. So if you have knowledge and understanding of historical levels, you should be able to know that there will be a possibility of same price react to this level. You may not be looking out for any trade opportunity on this level, but at least you've understood the point where price could possibly react on, or give a reaction on, regards to past histories. So this was the last past histories, which was a buy reaction. So if price can drop to this level, this same level, we've got buy possibilities, and you can see the market just bought. The market also bought as well. So this makes sense. Price action trading and price action approach is so easy to understand and apply if you understand the full concept. Yeah. So you can see how price dropped to this zone, bought, dropped to the zone again, bought here before this level got weak. Price broke below it and has been selling below this level. So that is just it with that historical level. So let's just spot out another historical level. We've got one here as well. Same. Let me extend this level. Let me extend this level. We'll see that price bought here as a support there, so the resistance, yeah, past histories. So price breaking below this level, there's still a possibility of getting the sales as a resistance. Price faked out a buy move, broke below it, give a retest of it, sold as a resistance. So this is just the market. We're expecting this historical level. Yeah, so that is just it with historical levels